Our energy source is hydroelectric energy by Sierra, Braden, Alyssa, and Ethan.
How it's used. The water that is stored in the reservoir is released into the intake. From the intake, it goes into the penstock, which is a long, narrow tunnel. From there, the fast-moving water turns a metal turbine that is connected to the generator. The generator then releases that energy to the power lines and substations. That's how we get some of our power in our homes.
Where it's used. Hydroelectricity is used in many parts of the world, the top 5 being China, Canada, Brazil, the U.S., and Russia. The U.S. is the 4th largest producer of hydroelectricity in the world. The blue circles on the map represent different hydroelectric power plants. The best locations to place these power plants is in large rivers that have a relatively large drop in elevation. It also helps if it's not too near a civilization, as a large reservoir for the water needs to be built.
Advantages of hydroelectric power. There are many advantages to hydroelectric power. One such advantage is how cheap it is. It costs only 85 cents per kilowatt, which is 1,000 watts. That means it costs 85 cents to have a light bulb on for over 16 hours. This is mainly because it's the cleanest and most renewable source of energy. Hydroelectricity also provides recreation. It creates reservoirs that can be used for boating, fishing, and swimming.
Some disadvantages of hydroelectricity are the cost, the environmental consequences, and the lack of water reservoirs. Building a hydroelectric power plant is very expensive. It can cost up to $1 billion. There are also many environmental consequences. Many animals, like fish, die, and their habitats destroyed. The last consequence is the lack of water reservoirs. There are not that many rivers and lakes to use for power plants. Also, if there's a drought, the power plant will be affected.
The end.
Yay.